Hey YouTube, welcome back. Part 6 of my X and Y booster pack opening from two X and Y booster boxes. Definitely check out the previous few parts. Got some great pulls. Went through some great cards. Obviously the ratios aren't amazing for these sets. Yes, I got a red card. It's a good way to start off. But it is what it is. I am always tempted to just buy the blister-like boxes or whatnot. Very pure hollow. That is something new, which is always good when I'm trying to complete a set. It is this large. I don't really know where to get them, but usually every once in a while you'll see them on like eBay. Someone will sell like a huge lot. So I wish companies actually sold those. I would definitely buy those over the booster boxes any day. Mainly just because of the ratios. The ratios in these boxes aren't the best. They're the same as the smaller versions in Japan. Here we go, Trevenant. And I also noticed that the hollows are way flimsier than they used to be. So they're back down to being really, really flimsy compared to the normal card too. Alrighty. Dunsparce, I've had that one before. Dang, look at that. Another hollow. Greninja. Greninja. Green Ninja. I'm just gonna call it the Ninja. Yeah. Had him before. So, definitely getting a few doubles. Definitely will be selling those away. After this, I will be organizing out my cards, getting the doubles out and whatnot. Double Blade, Dunsparce, Braixen, Timburr, Fennekin, Grass, Pikachu, Pansage, Whirlipede Reverse, and a Starmie. Max Revive, Sableye, Dodrio. Pretty much pulled all the uncommon to commons, I'm pretty sure. NK and Bisharp. Now I'm just looking for rares, maybe trainers, maybe a few uncommons and hollows, and the ultras, obviously. Another red card, that's always good to get a double of that. Mainly because they didn't have it before. They're fighting. I don't think I've gotten a fire yet. I don't know if that's in the set, obviously. You duel and a Grumpig. But we'll have to find out, huh? Two, three. We got Great Ball, Girder, Team Flare, Staryu, Doduo, Pumpkaboo, Jigglypuff, Slugma, Sableye Reverse, and a Simisear. So 2 packs left of this part, guys. Girder, Letter, Lunatone, Fletchling, Shellder, Tailo, Timburr, Pikachu, Chespin Reverse, and Scolipede. So last pack, come on, epic ending to part 6. Let's see if we can make an epic 2. 1, 2, 3. Put this guy down. Dunsparce, Delcatty, Braixen, Weedle, Rhyhorn, Bidoof, Swoink, Honored, a Heart Charm. I don't think I've gotten him. And Mao, a Slurpuff hollow. So a good pull to the end of the part. I think it's a card I already have, but that's not bad. So I hope you guys enjoyed part 6. We've got 2 parts left. And stick around. We'll see what we can pull. And yeah, I'll see you next time.